Okay, I want you all to understand something. My daughter, say hi, Lexi.
Who's a big tickle baby?
Yeah, you can see a baby. Say hi.
Who's a tickle baby?
You gonna wave to the camera? Say hi. Wave hi. Go hi.
It's a piggy.
Now we're gonna show everybody what a little shit you are today. You need a diaper change. Anyway, my daughter just gave me this. That is hot chocolate in one of my mugs. Now, it's of course no water, but this is what I have come to.
Cookie.
Don't put it in there.
Put the cookie.
Lexi, what you doing?
What's that?
What you doing? What's in the cup? What's in the cup? What's in that cup? Yeah, that cup. What is that? Can you say probably about 5 packs of hot chocolate?
Oh, that's cookie.
It's not cookie, honey. That's a marshmallow. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, we gotta clean this up.
Oh, hold it.
No, I don't want you to hold it. You gonna say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Good girl.